Yo, everybody, what is up? I need your help. The reason I need your help is because you also need your own help, I guess we could say. All right, so usually what I do is I do, smart money analytics and, what's on the board, what kind of charts we're going to look at. I think over the next couple of videos I'm going to do, I want to do more like referral videos because I want to get money. In case you guys don't have money in your pockets right now, I know the economy's kind of weird right now. In case you don't have money to actually trade with it or actually start investing with, what's the point of even watching these videos, that you guys are watching me do? So, this one is going to be about WeBull and about how you guys can get started on WeBull. Even if you just want the quick money, that for just signing up, okay, that's fine. Do it. Sign up, get the money, sell it. That's an extra $6 to $12 that you'll have for Christmas or for your credit card bill or for whatever that you may need. It's a extra quick bucks. That's all it is, and that's what I'm about to go through and show you about. Basically easy how to sign up. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. All you have to do is click it and then just follow the instructions. After that, you'll be. I think you have to go through the messages to find out where to claim your free stocks. Once you claim your free stocks, it says you can add a little bit more, and they'll give you a third. I don't see why not throw in an extra $5 or something like that if you got it, or an extra buck or something. It says any amount, and they will give you a third stock for free. So, that could be a 20, 25, $30. Who knows? Sometimes they've given me stocks that are $3. Sometimes they've given me stocks that were $15. I'm not even kidding. So, so now it's time for you to, I guess, sit back and go through the presentation that I got here going for us. So I don't even know why I have this here, but this is going to be here. In case you're going to like these videos, and you are, and you're going to want more, what you're going to want to do is hit that subscribe button. You're going to hit that like button, right? Hit the alert section, all that good stuff. That way, whenever I have the next one, that's going to be about some kind of referral status or referral notice, about getting extra cash, because there's tons of them out there, guys. There's tons of them out there. Then you're going to know about it. So go ahead, hit those buttons, those like, subscribe, alert bell, all that good stuff. And that way we can get going. All right. So next, what I want to do. I'm glad I caught that because that was a little off. All right. There we go. All right, so what we're going to do, we're taking a look at what you can get, all right? So what you can get as a new WeBull applicant is at first what you get is like I said, you get 2 free stocks. Unfortunately, you don't get to pick them. And then it says that if you put in a little bit of your own money, they're going to give you a third for free. Not only do these promotions last a lot, or do they happen a lot? They're like every 2 weeks. There's always some kind of promotion going on with WeBull. So, and I'll show you where to find that. But the biggest one right now, and what I want you to focus on, is that we have by the end of the month. You have by the end of the month. If you sign up for WeBull, if you haven't used it yet, if you got a new phone, and you sign up for WeBull, find 3 people that haven't used WeBull, right? And WeBull is the company that is commission tree, commission free trading, um, just like Robinhood, like you've heard of Robinhood, except for I think WeBull is better. What you want to do, all right, after you download the app, you get your free stocks. Just start thinking of anybody and everybody you can that has never used Webull, that may be financially illiterate, and it doesn't even matter if they have experience in any kind of stocks whatsoever, right? All they really need to do is just sell it. That's all they have to do, like I'm trying to do to you right now. All right. So if you have no experience whatsoever in this financial world, in the financial industry, it doesn't matter, because what I'm just trying to get you to do is get you to get free money. That's all I'm trying to get you to do. First, sign up, and then get 3 other people to sign up before the end of this month. It's the 27th now. The end of the month will be the 30th. So we only got a couple days left, all right? All right, so since we only got a couple days left, gotta hurry. Find at least 3 people, and just try to give them a good spiel. Just be like, hey man, it's extra. You know, you'll get a free, like, you sign up, you get 3 stocks. Put a little bit in, whatever. You'll probably get 15-20 bucks out of that. And then if you can find 3 more people to sign up, you'll get an Apple stock. Yes, you'll get an Apple stock. You know how much Apple stock is worth right now? It's right behind me, by the way. It is. Oh no, geez, that is not Apple stock. Sorry, that is OBTC. Apple stock is right here. Apple stock is worth about $146.95, in case you didn't know. Which that is quite a bit. So that is, I don't know, maybe your kid wants 3 new video games for Christmas that you couldn't have gotten before, or your cousin, I don't know, just needed just a little bit of extra to help put them down on like a motorcycle or something like that. That's what this is for. I'm going over here because that's where the screen is. It shows the price. 100. I mean, heck, if you can get 3 people in today, it could be by the end of the day that Apple actually look. Okay, because what I'm looking at here is that since I'm a technical, an analyst, and that's what most of you people listen to me for, we do have those equal lows, right? So there could be some low level liquidity down here. However, it looks like since last week it's basically picked up. I do know there was some news with Apple. I'm not 100% what it was. Hold on, headlines for Apple. China power crunch spreads, shutting factories and dimming growth outlook. That's what it was. That's what I saw last week. Some Apple and Tesla suppliers suspend product production in China amid power pinch. Yeah, it looks like China's trying to not help us out here with this, but it doesn't matter, because by the time, if you do get three people to sign up that have never used Webull before, and you get the Apple, you get the Apple stock, that is going to be well over $100 in your pocket. And again, that is for Christmas. That's for trying to pay off, credit card bill, whatever you need that for. That is an extra $100-something in your pocket. Now, if you're the type of person that, is starting to think about investing and you've never done it before and you want to keep it, hey, that's up to you. That's all up to you. If that's what you want to do with it, that's what you want to do. But I am thinking ahead, and I am thinking of Christmas, and people are going to need some extra money Christmas around that time. I don't know how the economy is going to be like. I don't think you're going to know how the economy is going to be like. So the quicker we can jump on these things and the quicker that we can try to get these things in our pockets, the better, right? So, all right, guys, one thing I forgot to mention, because I was just talking about getting the Apple stock. If you can hold on to it for a little while, I would suggest it, because, like I said, it was moving up, and then I got distracted by what was in the news instead of actually looking at the technical aspect of it. Like I said, it could jot down. I don't think it's going to, but it could jot down for sell side liquidity. But if it doesn't, what I would look for is that you had a big drop off right here. I mean, it's a 1 hour fair value gap. If you come in here and look at it close enough, I'm trying to get so you guys can see it, so it's not behind my head, you know. What I would do is look at half of that area, because once you look at half of that area, it also hits underneath these two guys right here. So half of the area also hits these two breakers, basically. So there's two breakers almost in a row right here. This last candle down here, this last candle down here, those are both breakers. So it would hit those, and it could bounce back. Who knows how long it could take before it comes back up, if you can hold on to it longer. Now wait till it gets to the top of that same fair value gap. Now, what do I mean by fair value gap? When you're looking at this right here on the 10th of September, you have this big red candle down, right? Now the candle next to it, the red candle, leaves a big gap in between the green candle down here. If you draw just a rectangle from this green candle to the bottom of this red candle, that is going to be your fair value gap. And that is going to be what attracts price, as you can see. So it attracts price, but it also acts as, you know, like a magnet. So whenever you have a magnet that connects to each other, but then if you flip them on the other side, they repel. That's kind of what happens here. So it attracts, then it repels. It attracts, then it repels. And right now, it's looking like it's going to, well, it looks like it's going to be starting off a little lower than normal this morning. And it probably could be because of these gaps. So you could see it come down, and it's not really much of a gap though. You could see it come down and take out this gap, which would be around 143. I would say hold on to it until then. If you do, I know there's some people out there today that's going to be able to get out there and get this done. And then once you get, you know, see what happens after that 143. I think what's going to happen is it's going to come back up, because again, it's going to be near holiday time. Around near holiday time, sales start growing, things like that. Even if we are in a bad economy, I think we're still going to have a decent equities market. So again, halfway through that, you're going to hit the breakers on this side over here, and it's also halfway through, right? Then next time you're looking at the top, because the top is going to be your last up candle, basically. Even though it looks like I mean, you could point out this one, but you also got this green candle right here too. So your green candle right here, that's your last green candle up before it comes up and then drops really quick. So that's why I'd be looking at this area right here around 153, 154. If you can hold on to it for longer than that, maybe the first one, sorry, I forgot to mention the price. It was about 152.33-ish, I want to say, or 152.36-ish. Your last one is going to be just before that high. There is an M kind of shape taking place here, and it could hit that last little small green bar, right? And then it could repel back from that. That price would be somewhere around 156.56. Now, there is equal highs just above that. So that means that there's liquidity above here, which means we're going to be expecting a lot of people to do what we just said we were going to do, sell, right at that area. What it could do is what smart money does, as the people that have all the money do, is they wait for everybody to sell. That way they buy really fast and really hard, and then the price will kick up. So that could also happen. So be careful with that if it does happen. If something like that does happen, where would the price stop? That is a good question. And that's why I want to use these Fibonacci's here. All right, so I would think right here and top Fibonacci here, because I think this would be one of the highest areas that we have gotten to since the split. I'm going to go with the day. I'm going to look at the day and see. Yeah, it's definitely one of the highest areas that we've gotten to since the split. And this right here, I think we're going to stay above or around in this area until we get to where I'm talking about. At least those take profit levels. Now, if it does get above it, I would say look for 160 easily. And you can always set a limit to sell it at 160. That's the best thing to do. That way you don't have to think about it. Think about which one, or what I was thinking about doing is taking a third off here, taking a third off here, taking a third off here, or maybe even taking quarters off and seeing if that last quarter will even get me above here. You know, you could do all kinds of things. The app allows you to do that. So I just wanted to throw that in there really quick, just so you would have kind of a technical aspect of how long to hold it if you wanted to, and where to possibly sell it. So, all right, well, thanks for listening to that. That should be the end of this portion. All right, we're going to end the video here. All right, and after this, we're actually going to go into technical stuff, in case you want to continue with the WeBull app and you want to continue investing. I got some ideas out there for people, so hold on tight. We're going to get the second video up and running soon. And so you just watch that one. So this will be the first part, and then right after this there will be a second video released separately, and that'll be the second part. Okay? All right, thanks guys, and remember to, well, you know now. All right, at least I hope you do.